Since both the Corgi and the Golden Retriever are such loving, outgoing dogs, they tend to be an excellent active companions for both young and older children alike.
这么生气。
Unlike Huskies, because they have similar personalities, you will feel at peace when raising them together. They also play with each other, but won't cause you any trouble.
哪来的东西啊？你干嘛？怎么插着个蒲扇似的？
But have you ever given them a climbing competition? Try it, you will laugh and cry at the same time. What if poodles and Goldens live together? If you think they are all smart, obedient, you're wrong. They are naughty and dull-witted too sometimes. Both are active and dynamic, so don't dream to be dovish. But when they are mixed together, you will get an adorable dog. You can search Golden Doodles and see. Let's turn to German Shepherds and Goldens. Both are intelligent and loving to their owners. But German Shepherds are intense guard dogs, you know. So to own them, you need time for them to get used to each other.